Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing iced vanilla bean latte with real vanilla for the ultimate homemade cafe-style drink. This creamy latte is smooth, lightly sweet, and filled with rich vanilla flavor that tastes absolutely incredible with bold espresso. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for warm mornings or relaxing afternoons when you want a cool and delicious coffee treat. Let's make this together today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 1 vanilla bean or 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons sugar or vanilla syrup, 1 cup ice cubes, whipped cream. Vanilla bean specks for garnish directions. Start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or preparing strong coffee. Allow it to cool slightly while preparing the vanilla milk mixture. If using a real vanilla bean, carefully split the bean lengthwise and scrape out the tiny vanilla seeds with a knife. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, vanilla seeds, and sugar or vanilla syrup. Warm the mixture gently over low heat for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally to blend the flavors together. Remove from heat and allow the milk to cool. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes, then pour in the cooled espresso. Slowly add the vanilla milk mixture over the coffee and stir gently until smooth and creamy. Top with whipped cream if desired and sprinkle a few vanilla bean specks on top for a beautiful cafe-style finish. Serve immediately and enjoy the rich, smooth vanilla flavor combined with refreshing iced coffee goodness. Thank you so much for watching today's iced vanilla bean latte with real vanilla recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this smooth and refreshing homemade coffee drink with me. The real vanilla adds such a rich and luxurious flavor that makes this latte extra special. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cafe-style coffee creations and delicious homemade drink ideas. See you next time. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 coffee lover.